Receiving a request for evidence from United States Citizenship and Immigration Services can be a stressful experience for visa applicants. However, understanding how to respond effectively can make all the difference in avoiding delays and improving your chances of approval. A request for evidence, or RFE, is a notice from USCIS indicating that they need more information to make a decision on your application. It's important to note that an RFE does not mean your application has been denied. Rather, it's an opportunity to provide additional documentation or clarify information in your application. USCIS issues RFEs for various reasons, including missing mandatory documents, discrepancies in provided information, or failure to meet specific eligibility requirements. Common requests include proof of legal relationships, financial records, employment verification, or evidence of immigration status. When responding to an RFE, follow these key steps to ensure a smooth process. First, carefully read the entire RFE to understand exactly what additional evidence is being requested. Make a checklist of all required documents to ensure you don't miss anything. Next, organize your response package. Place the original RFE notice on top, followed by a cover letter summarizing the evidence you're submitting. Then include all requested documents and any additional supporting evidence that strengthens your case. Remember, you typically have between 30 and 84 days to respond to an RFE. Meeting this deadline is crucial, as late responses may result in a denial of your application. Submit your response as soon as possible to avoid any last-minute issues. It's important to note that you only get one chance to respond to an RFE. USCIS will only consider the first response they receive, so make sure it's complete and accurate. If you can't obtain all requested documents by the deadline, submit what you have along with a detailed explanation of your efforts to obtain the missing items. To prevent receiving RFEs in the first place, be as thorough as possible in your initial application. Use USCIS checklists to ensure you've included all required documents. Double-check all details for accuracy and consistency. Provide clear evidence demonstrating your eligibility for the requested benefit. When preparing your RFE response, be concise and clear in your explanations. Address each point raised in the RFE thoroughly. Even if you believe you've already provided certain information, respond patiently to all requests. Navigating the RFE process can be complex, and the stakes are high. If you're unsure about how to proceed, or if your case is particularly complicated, consider seeking assistance from an immigration attorney. Their expertise can be invaluable in ensuring your response is complete and persuasive. Remember, receiving an RFE is not the end of the road for your application. By responding promptly, thoroughly, and accurately, you can address USCIS's concerns and move your application forward. Stay focused, pay attention to detail, and don't hesitate to seek professional help if needed. With the right approach, you can successfully navigate the RFE process and keep your immigration journey on track.